So welcome to Ultimate DIYer. And you may be asking yourself, what is an ultimate DIYer anyway? Most people think of a DIY type thing as something to do with crafts, but DIY is also do-it-yourself in home construction, meaning that you don't want to pay somebody else. You're going to watch a video and you're going to learn how to do it yourself, and you're going to save that money. That's my first target audience, is the DIYer, the guy that wants to do it himself on his own home projects. I do have a second person that I like to target, and that's going to be somebody who wants to be a handyman, because during the day I work as a handyman, and I'd like to, show other guys that it's not that hard to do, that you can make quite a bit of money being a handyman or a handy person. What is it that you can expect to see on the Ultimate DIY channel? On the Ultimate DIY channel, you're going to see everything from basic plumbing, electric, carpentry, cabinet making. We're going to do things like fence building. We're going to do floors, pretty much anything to do with home construction. We're going to try to build videos around that so that you can see it. A lot of those will be based on the actual jobs as I go out and perform them during the day. Hopefully you've become a subscriber, you've reached down and you hit that subscribe button, you go ahead and ring the little bell so that you know about upcoming videos as I release them, and leave me a comment or two while you're at it. Let me know what made you decide to go ahead and be an ultimate DIYer if you have the time.